Hello students, this is class 4th A. Class 4th. Subject GK and date is 17/8/2021. Lesson 32. I can control myself. Lesson 32. I can control myself. I can control myself. I can control myself. So, dear students, can you control the saliva in your mouth when you see delicious sweets or delicious food? It is very difficult to control ourselves. These are the involuntary actions. But before doing the work, we should think about the matter and then take the decision. This is called as self-confidence. So today we are going to study in this lesson about I can control myself. So in this lesson, to control what we say or do and to think before we do anything is called self-control. The main things needed to learn self-control are discipline and patience. Both things are very necessary. Discipline and patience. So figures are given here. Which of the following children are showing self-control? You see this diagram. Which of the following children are showing self-control? Put the tick against those showing self-control and cross against those losing self-control. So you see the first A. One diagram A you see. The student is happy and it shows the self-control. So first is correct. Now B, in case of the B, I think these students observing the delicious diet and these are going to lose their self-control. So second is crossed. Now see diagram C also showing that students or child having no self control. C. Now D, both students are going to fight for a toy. They do not have the patience. So D will also have cross mark. Now E, S, E, see this child is enjoying the delicious diet, and she shows discipline and patience. So E, that will be correct. Now F, in case of F, one Q is there. Children are standing in the queue and they have the patience. This shows the well discipline. So F will also be correct mark. Now G, as the child is peeping, he has no patience. Patience is not there. So G having also cross mark. And H, no, they are pulling any things. Both are pulling the things. So they do not have the discipline. So F, H having such mark. I, case of I, the student is showing the patience and the discipline. So here H having the correct answer. So now next, learn and apply these quotes in your life. Learning self-control through games. Let us discuss. When school will open, then we can discuss about the self-control through games and learn and apply these quotes in your life. One is balance. Second, calmness. Third, determination. Fourth, confidence. And fifth, willpower. So we have to start, and the lesson we can study another lesson. Lesson 33, be a smart child. We can study another lesson. Lesson 33. Lesson 33, be a smart child. Lesson 33, be a smart child. Be a smart child. So, in this lesson, what would you do in the following situations? For some time, different situations are there. In different situations, we have to take a decision. Decision may be correct or incorrect. If someone is taking the correct decision at correct time, he may be called as a smart child. So you have to see whether you are a smart child or not. Which type of decision you are taking, your decision will determine whether you are a smart child or not. So some situations are given. So what would you do in the following situations? Tick the correct option in each situation to be a smart child. You have to do yourself. You have to do this yourself after closing your day book. So only you have to write only you have to see the question. So situation I am telling you, if your father brings a new cycle for you, one situation is there. If your father brings a new cycle for you, two options are given. You would immediately ride on it, or you would try to find out how it works. Only then will you ride it. If your option is first, then you may not be a smart child. If your option is second, you will be a smart child. So first, you have to take the two are given. So second one is correct. If you choose the second, you would be a smart child. Next, if a stranger asks your address on the telephone when you are alone at home, then what option you choose? You would inquire about him and give your address, and second, you would put down the phone and immediately inform your parents. If you are to choose the second one, you will be a smart child. So second. Now third, if one of your friends gets hurt while playing in a park, two options are there. You would immediately inform an adult so that your friend might get proper medication, or You would run away from there and never inform anyone about it. Surely, if you choose first, you will be a smart child. So, third, such columns are made. So in this case, you have to take the first. Now fourth, if you find someone coming out of your neighbor's, if you find smoke coming out of your neighbor's house, two options are there. You would immediately rush to your neighbor's house, or you would inform an adult and dial the emergency fire brigade number for help. Surely, second option is correct. Surely, the second option is correct. Now, fifth, if you see a stranger trying to unload a bike in the park lot of your area, two options are given. You would be frightened to see the scene, or you would immediately inform an adult. So surely you would inform an adult. So two options are given. Surely you will immediately inform another. And sixth situation, if you are swimming in a pool with your friends, two options are given. You would swim in an area defined for young swimmers only, or you would try to swim in an area defined for adult swimmers only. Surely you will choose the area which is defined for young swimmers only. So two options are given here. This one is the correct. So that's for today. Thank you.